This is a 2005 Honda CR-V. I'm going to show you guys how to replace your spark plugs and replace your ignition coils. This is going to be a quick video. It's pretty basic, especially this is a 4-cylinder. So the tools that you're going to need is a 10mm. You need a ratchet with a extension and a spark plug socket. So you're gonna have 4 bolts. I already had it removed, so you're just gonna remove these 4 bolts. Just like that. Take it off. Now you see these 2 right here. Those 2 are holding 2 of the ignition coils, which is this one and that one. So when you put it back, when you're done, don't forget to align it back on that hole. So we're gonna have this is your ignition coil, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna remove this bolt and you're gonna unplug that. Now to unplug this, it's easy if you push it up first and then press that clip right here and then pull like that. So take that one off. I'm gonna set the camera right here. All right. So I'm just gonna remove the 10mm bolt that's holding the ignition coil. All right. Now to remove the ignition coil, you want to twist it left to right, just in case it's stuck in there. You want to break it loose first and then pull up like that. So that's how you replace the ignition coil. Same process for all 3. We're gonna go ahead and remove the spark plug with a ratchet and an extension, and you need a spark plug socket like this. Okay. So what I do is I hold the extension in the middle so it doesn't twist when I try to loosen it. And then you're gonna put your weight into it. This one's kind of loose, so okay. That is how you replace the spark plug. This one's not too bad. I don't have to replace this one. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. To put the new one in, you're gonna want to try to hand tighten it first. Make sure that it's in there correctly. So you want to hand tighten it first, like that. Now the torque, I don't know what the spec for the torque, but I've done so many spark plugs. I know what's too tight and what's not too tight. Just make sure you don't put it too loose and don't over tighten it. So we're just gonna give it a few turns. There we go. Put your ignition coil back on. Put your 10mm bolt back on. Plug it back up. Now this one, we already took the bolt off with that plastic cover. Just gonna go through it really quick, show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna remove the wiring harness, like that. Twist it left to right, pull it up. Remove the spark plug, hold the extension in the middle. Turn. There's your spark plug. Put it back in. Hand tight it. Again, not too tight, but not too loose. Put your ignition coil back on. Plug the connector back on. That's it. Same steps for this one and this one. Once you finish it, don't forget to put your plastic cover back on like this. Remember, these two bolts, they go on those two ignition coils, 1 and 2, like that. Pretty easy. That's about it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If my videos help you, click the like button. If you got any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.